What's good at whānau? Welcome back to another episode of a Māori Phrase a Day. Saturday, the 6th of December. Phrase, I don't know how many phrases, but we're staying consistent. That's the main point, whānau. Alright, so today's Māori phrase. O te aroha, te pūtake o te aroha. Which means, love is the foundation of life. Like you sound like a preacher over here. But it's a lovely way to highlight how central love and compassion are to our well-being. To explain that a bit more, when we show love and kindness to one another, we create a foundation of well-being for everyone. It ties the concept into everyday actions and interactions. I hope that example was good. But for me, I just put that into how I live life. I lead with love. I lead with love in everything I do in life. As always, whānau, if that was incorrect or if I just mispronounced it, please comment down below so we can all get it right. And you already know the go, whānau. Stay positive, be kind to one another, and it's a good day to have a good day. So go ahead and have a good day, whānau. Ciao!